Hey, what's up, Phil with Video School with another Lightroom preset pack. We're launching the Desaturated Colors pack this month. It's completely free if you're in one of our photography courses. You know the drill by now. If you've seen our past preset packs, head to the end of the course. You can find the downloads there. If you're not in a course and you just want to download this Desaturated preset pack, great for Lightroom Classic, Lightroom Cloud, Lightroom Mobile, head over to photographyandfriends.com and hit the presets button. This is a fun example to see what this does. So each of these presets is going to desaturate different colors. Some of these presets, it desaturates everything. Some it desaturates just the blues. Sometimes it's desaturating more of the reds, more of the greens. You can see here some of these examples, especially later on in these presets, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are pretty intense. So this one, desaturating most of the blues. Probably not my favorite for this photo. Maybe you're enjoying it. But something like, let's go back to 6 and 5. Those are pretty cool. 6 brings out those reds a lot. 4 brings out those reds, maintains those greens as well, while also desaturating the blue. And it's just going to give it a different style. Here's another example of the Eiffel Tower. You can see what this might do. Just a different look. Even for an example with a person, let's go take this one as an example. Could look pretty cool. I love this 1 and 2. Gives it sort of that retro, vintagey vibe. Definitely a style. And if you're enjoying this preset pack, if you use it, let us know. 8, this is a super clean edit for this. Slap that on, gives it a nice style, nice clean look for this photo. And like everything with presets, it's not always going to work for every photo. So slap it on, see what you think, make adjustments. You can do that. All right. If you use this preset pack, tag us on Instagram at Phil Ebner. Find us also on the Video School channel or page and tag us. We'd love to see and share your work. And if you are in our courses and you haven't done so yet, leave that review. Those reviews and ratings totally help us out. It encourages us to make more freebies and bonus material like this to help you with your photography. Doesn't matter if it's a good or bad review. We just want to hear your thoughts. Much love. And as always, when we are launching a preset pack, we're going to throw a freebie course as well down below. So thanks for watching till the end of this video and get that free course and the free preset pack if you're in one of our photo courses already down below. Cheers and have a beautiful day. Bye.